So guys, I'm discuss about that how we can preparing for free logos. So what are the logo size? So we can different logo sizes are there. So how we can preparing for free logos? First option will be using for Canva.com. The totally four websites are there. You can making a logo as a free, and you can remove the background will be PNG and JPG format. PNG and JPG format. First, we can use in Canva option. We can design by the customized logo also. Selecting for custom size also. Or you can use it for default size also will be there and the logo option. So this will be 500 by 500 logo size. This will be completely will be download by the JPG format. Which format? Complete for JPG format. After making Canva, we can convert into PNG purpose. We can using for remove.bg option. So Canva we can making will be which option will be only JPG. So if you require for PNG format, transparent image, we can using for remove.bg option. This future we can use, we can make it as a JPG will be PNG format. Coming to the another three website, I'll open it. So I always prepare the here. Just will be second one will be hfull.shopify.com, logomaker, thehood.com. So these all website will be given by the free logos, and each one will be different formats are there. Coming to the Hatchful, the making will be logos for social media purpose also. They give the PNG and JPG format. No need to using for remove.bg option. They are creating logos will be different social media purpose and visiting card and a lot of options purpose. This future mainly using for logo and social media logo purpose. They're preparing for social media logos and cover image also. We can use that option and make it logo will be in this particular website. Shopify actual particular website will be used. Third one, logomaker.thehost.com. This website you can use number of logos. Create logos as usual. What are the drawing you are required? You can use the particular things are there. When this use this option, just add your text, symbol and shapes, a business card, upload your own image and make it the particular things are there. So here, there are a lot of categories are there. Depend on category, we can select your icon logo option. We can add your text and shapes, making a logo will be here. Something you can explain everything here. These are the options are there. This completely free, nothing will be charged. This is a business card type. You can select the business card, add your details and make it your business card option. This is a completely free, nothing will be charged your particular things. Select here, which is not required. In this any border will be not required. Just you can use it option here. See this. Add your text option and here. Text purpose using for text will be here. See. Content will be add here particular in this. If you not require anything will be close here. Delete. Number of times will be test is repeating. So that is called repeating remove for the particular text. So this is called you can making for logo. Logo will be very comfortable to create the logo. And logo will be download two format, JPG and PNG. No need to go for remove.bg option. This website we can logo will be created will be JPG and PNG format. Next, designevo.com is a logo maker website. Just you can go to customization. What are the logo will be given? We can use these logos and make it on logo by in the particular customize option. Based on the category, you can select the logo option to make a logo will be based on the customize option will be here. So this we can use to make a logo on the particular website purpose, and this logo will be downloaded for JPG and PNG format. The logo will be not in PNG. Go to remove.bg option. Don't forget this website, remove.bg. What are the images are required for transparent? We can go to this website and the image will be converted into JPG to PNG format. Use this 4 website, make it a free logo and comfortable logo, and use your customized template for the host, for exist template for using for Hatful and particular designevo.com. The providing existing template will be in the particular website. If you go to my logo, go with the sign up with your account and use it. Every website sign up is required. Canva sign up required, Archful sign up required, and this website is not required for sign up. And last one, designevo.com also required for sign up option. Sign up and use it, and the making a particular logo complete free option. Use this 4 website and log in it, and without login we can make it on the particular free logos with the customized design with the JPG and PNG format.